Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by securing your data, backup via iCloud or Finder, then update iOS so features behave predictably. Once done, restart the phone and clear at least 1 GB. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable. Next, pick a visual direction, wallpapers, widget style, icon packs, and any paid apps or fonts you need. Install those apps now. This front loading avoids interruptions. It also ensures shortcuts, themes, and profiles will install cleanly, without storage or permission errors. Now you transform the interface. Open shortcuts to wrap apps with new icons, keeping originals in the app library. That preserves functionality. Then design widgets, use WidgetSmith or native options, sizing them to balance home screen density and readability. Once widgets and icons are placed, set up automations. Tie a focus mode to a home screen layout, schedule wallpapers to change by time or location, and create a launcher shortcut for multi-step tasks. These finish by polishing visuals. Align icon spacing, trim widget text, and ensure readability under light and dark modes. Then secure the setup with screen time restrictions so layouts and widgets aren't changed accidentally, and enable Find My and two-factor authentication. Test each automation and observe battery effects for 24 hours. Make sure refresh intervals don't drain power. If a customization fails, remove the last installed profile or app. Then restore the backup if needed. That single rollback usually resolves conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.